Feel the majestic Rocky Mountains through every season. A timeless wonder, vast and rugged. The Rocky Mountains stand as nature's grand masterpiece. Shaped by time and nature, these peaks hold the stories of Earth's past, carved by glaciers. One of the longest mountain ranges, the Rockies stretches over 4,800 kilometers across North America. A haven for wildlife, these mountains are home to grizzly bears, elk, and bald eagles. A wonderland for every season, it transforms all year round with golden fall foliage, snow-covered peaks, and lush green summers.